Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on applied accessibility. And we're going to learn more about the article element. The article is a element we use in HTML5. There's a new one in HTML5 where we wrap around independent self-contained content. And this works well with blog entries, forum posts, or new articles. And when you decide if you should put an article or not, it's a judgment call. And usually there's some simple tests you can ask yourself to decide if it's an article tag or not. For example, if you ask yourself if you removed all surrounding context, would the content still make sense? And if it's a yes, just make it an article tag. Because assistive technologies rely on organized semantic meaningful markup for better understanding your web page. And it's also important to note the difference between section and article. Articles is usually standalone content, and section is for grouping related content. So for example, a book is the article, then each chapter within it is a section. So for this exercise, Camp or Cast used article tags to wrap the post on his blog page. So we see here he used the article to defeating your foe here. And it has this H2 and then this P tag. Now we want to add this article tag to the other div he created, which is up here. So we want to change it. So we simply replace that, copy and paste it over here. And we can see also how the main section is inside of it. And then the article is independent. So this is independent of this. And that will be all for this one. Thank you so much.